11వ కామన్వెల్త్ పార్లమెంటరీ అసోసియేషన్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో పాల్గొని ప్రసంగించిన శాసన మండలి చైర్మన్ గుత్తా సుఖేందర్ రెడ్డి. బెంగళూరు పట్టణంలో 11వ కామన్వెల్త్ పార్లమెంటరీ అసోసియేషన్ ఇండియా రీజన్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో తెలంగాణ శాసన మండలి చైర్మన్ గుత్తా సుఖేందర్ రెడ్డి పాల్గొని ప్రసంగించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర శాసన సభాపతి గడ్డం ప్రసాద్ కుమార్, డిప్యూటీ చైర్మన్ బండా ప్రకాష్ ముదిరాజ్, లెజిస్లేటివ్ సెక్రటరీ డాక్టర్ వి నరసింహాచార్యులు, అధికారులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Other colleague speakers and chairmen, speakers and chairmen. Today, it gives me immense pleasure to be part of this prestigious CPA India Region Conference here in the historic city of Bangalore, Karnataka. I bring to you warm greetings from the people of Telangana and from the Telangana Legislative Council. The agenda before us today, debate and discussion in the House of Legislature, building people's trust, meeting people's aspirations in the both timely and significant. The importance of the debate and discussion at the heart of every democracy lies the legislature. It is here that people's voice are their grievances and addresses and their aspirations are translated into policy. Debate and discussion are the soul of the process. They are not mere formalities, but the very instrumental truth emerges. Consensus is built and solutions are found. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, once said, Parliament is not a place for the passing the resolutions alone. It is a place for the expressing grief, for exchange of opinion, for criticism, for ventilation of the grievances, and the mobilizing of public opinion. These words remain as relevant today as they were decades ago. Building people's trust. Trust is the foundation of democracy. People trust their elected representatives to speak for them, protect their interests and uphold constitutional values. However, in recent times there has been growing concern among the citizens about the disruptions, lack of the meaningful debate, and the absence of the dignity in the legislative procedures. To rebuild and strengthen the trust, we must ensure decorum in the House. Debates must be spirited but never disruptive. Encourage participation. Every member, regardless of party or sincerity, should get the opportunity to voice concerns. Focus on transparency. When made after informed debate in the open, citizens feel includes. Use technology, live telecast, digital archives, and online participation platforms make legislatures more accessible to the public. Meeting people's aspirations. India is a young nation with more than 65% of the population below 35 years. Their aspirations are less quality education, jobs, healthcare, infrastructure, and above all, opportunities to grow with the dignity. Legislature must be the arena where those aspirations are debated and translated into policies. Young youth aspirations, introducing skill development programs, physical education, and employment opportunities should be central to our discussions. Women empowerment, legislature must champion laws that provide equal opportunity, safety, and political representation to the women. Marginalized communities, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, minorities and persons with disabilities must find a strong voice in legislative debates. The Telangana, we have tried to reflect these aspirations in the policies like Asara pensions, monthly pensions for the elderly and other beneficiaries, Indirama Indu, financial assistance to homeless people to build permanent houses. The provide the free medical and health care up to the 10 lakhs under the Rajiv RTC, innovative for the economically backward people. Ambedkar Abhay Asa, the scheme for the social equality, each of these was the born out of the extensive discussion and debate in our legislature, proving that constructive debates can result in transformative policies. Challenge before us, yet we must candid about the challenges. Frequent disruptions weaken the effectiveness of the legislature. Declining time spent on debates limits quality lawmaking.